Hey guys, it's Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what time of the month it is? It's Stitch Fix time! So yes, I have gotten my fix for the month of March. It is a very spring-y box. I need to set a reminder on my phone or something to remind me, hey, your stylist always does your fix like a week out for when it's supposed to like ship. So you should probably put a memo in there for what you want, because I completely forgot this month. So all other months I seem to forget what I ask for. This month I just forgot to ask for anything in general. So I had no idea what to expect with this box. My stylist knows me pretty darn well. This is fix number 24 with my stylist, so I think she knows me. She also knows that I keep a Pinterest board where if I see things like on the app where you can thumb up or thumb down an item, I'll sometimes screenshot an item if I really like it, and then I'll upload it to Pinterest and I'll be like, hey, I saw this on the app, can you send it my way? So she knows me pretty well regarding that. So for this box, this wonderful box, it's very springy, like I said. I got a pair of shorts, which I'm really excited about, a jean skirt, which I'm really excited about, a sleeveless top, which I'm still kind of on the fence about, but I'll probably get it, a cardigan, which I've been trying to get away from cardigans, but I really like this cardigan because of the color, so you'll see why. And then there's just a nice long sleeve top, but it's like a lightweight long sleeve top so that it's good for spring, like on a chilly spring day. It's not gonna be like super hot, but it'll keep me warm-ish, if that makes sense, and it has a really pretty pattern. So yes, I think I mentioned a few boxes back that I changed my like specifications in my box, saying that I wanted cheaper items. You know, Stitch Fix is still not gonna be like super cheap, but you can kind of set a range for what you want things to fall under. So for this month, I think the most expensive item I have is $64, and to me, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna start with the item that I like the least. I'm not saying that I dislike this item, I just don't know how I feel about it entirely, but it's one of those cases where I like everything else in my box. It's probably cheaper for me to get all 5 items. The only thing that's throwing me about this tank top is the fact that even though it's got some like crochet cutouts, it's just very blah, in my opinion. I mean, I'm sure I could pair it with something and it would look spectacular, but just, it looks a little blah on its own. But that is this gray tank top right here, or sleeveless top. Not really a tank top, I'm wearing a tank top. This is more of a sleeveless top because it's got wider sleeves. But this is by Evolution by Cyrus, which I'm not sure I have anything by that brand. It is the Fally crochet detailed sleeveless pullover. That makes it sound more like a sweatery type thing, but it's not. It's pretty lightweight, and it is a size small. So, as you can see, it's got like crochet detailing, kind of, sort of, but it's also like, I don't know, you can see through it. So it's that kind of detailing, and yes, it's really, I mean, it's a cute sleeveless top. And like I said, I could probably pair it with something and it would look really good, but just on its own, it's kind of blah. I mean, I like gray. Gray is one of my favorite colors, or lack thereof color. So, I mean, I don't feel bad keeping it, but it's just one of those things where it's just like, meh. I will say that this month, Amber D, my lovely stylist, actually gave me specific instructions on how to pair everything together, which was pretty cool. She said for me to pair this with the cardigan, so I'll show the cardigan next so that you can kind of see, which I think will be great. I'm not sure I'd wear this on its own just because it is so, it's nothing special, but at the same time, it's not just a simple basic sleeveless top. Does that make any sense? The other holdup is that it's $48, but when I get to the end, you'll see why I'm considering getting it, because like I've said before, it's cheaper to get all 5 items than it is to pick the 4 and not get that percentage off for all 5. So the next item, again, is the cardigan, which is this gorgeous yellow. Now, again, I never thought I'd be someone who could pull off yellow. Apparently I am. I love this yellow. This cardigan is hella soft. It is by Pink Clover. Again, I don't think I have anything by them. It is an extra small, so I feel great. It has little pockets here, which is kind of cool. I don't know what I could put in there. Chapstick? I don't know. But, so she says to pair it with the tank top, which I'm pretty sure I did in the video that you'll see of me wearing it. So, put them together. Yeah, I could see that. Gray and yellow just really go together. But this is a really soft cardigan. This is a nice lighter weight cardigan as well, so perfect for spring. Again, for days that are chilly, but you don't need a coat, but you need something to cover your arms. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Right, okay. But I'm madly in love with this color. This color is just, I never thought I'd like yellow or orange, but apparently it likes me. So this is by, again, Pink Clover. It is the Penton 2-pocket cardigan in yellow, extra small, $44. Is the cardigan really cheaper than the sleeveless top? Because that's kind of weird. So yeah, I saw this when I cheated and looked ahead to see what I was getting, and I got really excited about the color. And now I'm just excited because it's so soft. I will live in this cardigan this spring. I'm gonna continue the trend and do the other top that I got, which is this really pretty dark purple top. It is long sleeve, like not 3/4 length sleeve, it's long sleeve. It's got this really pretty detail on the collar, but it's kind of hard to see on the camera. You'll see it in the video of me wearing it. It's got like this little cross pattern right here, and it's just, this will be a really good work top as well as just an everyday casual top. I love tops that can be versatile like that. You can wear it to work and make it dressy, or you could just wear it whenever and make it casual. I like things like that. Very soft. This is by Rainn. I do have items by that brand. This is an extra small. What is the price? $48. So it's the same as the sleeveless top. I'm a little concerned about the sleeveless top price. I think $48's a little expensive for that. But I'm okay paying $48 for this and $44 for the cardigan. Again, Stitch Fix finds the softest items, or perhaps it's Amber D that finds the softest items, because she knows that I have sensitive skin, so certain materials, if they touch my skin, I get really itchy and it's pretty unbearable. So perhaps it's just Amber D who knows me really well and knows that I have to have soft items because I'm that person. Next up are the shorts. I really like these because they have a pattern to them. They're striped. I think they're really pretty. Now, I did think when I saw the picture, for some reason I thought they were gonna be like black and cream, but they're navy and cream, which is also fine. I'm totally fine with that. But this is by Lila Rainn, which I do have. I think I've got other shorts by Lila Rainn that I got last summer. Love them dearly. They feel really good. These are size 4. They were almost a smidge big. Almost. The shorts are also a little longer than I normally like. Like, they go down the thigh a little bit more than I like, but I still like them. They look great. They show off my tattoos well, which is always what I'm going for. And I will end up taking these to some music festivals this summer, spring. It's still gonna be spring when those happen because it's in May. But yeah, the actual name of these shorts are the Colbie printed Chino short in navy, and they are $68. So these are the most expensive items in my box. They do have pockets. I will say these are not fake pockets. You know how women's pants always seem to have those fake pockets that are obnoxious as I don't know what? These aren't fake. Now, they're not very deep. Pretty sure you could only stick maybe a chapstick in here, but they're still real. They have a button. Same with the actual pockets in the front. I'm just talking about the back ones. But yes, these are size 4. I really like them. They do kind of remind me of a circus tent when I look at them like this, but that's okay. I can live with my butt looking like a circus tent. It's gotta look bigger than it actually is because it's disappeared. The last item, I don't know if I'm going to exchange for a different size because it almost seemed like it was too big, which I'm not sure if I was just wearing it incorrectly, like if I was pulling it too high up and it was actually supposed to sit lower on me. But this is by the brand Silver Jeans Company, and it is the Francy raw hem denim skirt. And I've been wanting a really nice denim skirt for a while. As you can see, it's got the raw hem, which I love that distressed look to it. It does have some pockets, both real, in the front and back. It does say on the back, mini skirt mid-rise. Does that mean mid-rise like on the leg or mid-rise on your hips? I don't know. I will say this does have a funky smell to it. I don't know if it's been sitting somewhere, but it's got an Old Navy smell to it. You know how Old Navy has that kind of distinct scent to it? That's what these smell like. Is that weird that I just made that correlation? I don't know. I'll probably keep it because it is a size 4. These are $64, which is not bad for a really nice skirt like this. In indigo, go figure. But I'm thinking that maybe for the video, like of me trying it on, I wore it incorrectly and that it should have sat lower on my hips than it did, because I mean, I could have fit like both fists in between the distance between like my stomach and the pants. Like, it had that much room. So I'm thinking that maybe I just wore it incorrectly. That's why I like pants. You can tell where it's supposed to sit, whereas skirts sometimes difficult. But yes, I really like these. Again, these will come with me to possibly a music festival. So the grand total of everything was $272. That alone's not bad. I've had way higher boxes. So even without the buy all 25% discount and promos and credits and yada yada, that's not bad. So if you buy all 5, you get 25% off, which takes off $68. And that brings it to $204. Again, really good. But then I also have promo / other credit, yada yada. Apparently someone signed up using my link, and then I got that style pass. It was up for renewal in February, so that cost comes on over to this box. So that's $74 off. So the grand total of everything is $130. For all of that, $130. You see why I'm gonna probably keep the sleeveless top? That's really not bad. You know, a skirt, pair of shorts, a top, a sleeveless top, and a cardigan for $130. I mean, it's kind of hard to beat that. So yeah, I do think I'm gonna keep it all. I'm going to remember, like, almost immediately after I film this video, edit it, and upload it, I'll probably go onto the app and write down what I want for next month so that I don't forget. That was a little disappointing that I couldn't give any input, but like I said, Amber D knows me really well, so she did an amazing job as always. Let me know in the comments below what item you like the most. Let me know in the comments below what item you like the least. It will not hurt my feelings because it's going on my body, not yours, unless you asked for it. But if you don't like it, why would you ask for it? But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys!